How to read a single character from the user? Is there a way of reading one single character from the user input? For instance, they press one key at the terminal and it is returned, sort of like JITch. I know there's a function in Windows for it, but I'd like something that is cross-platform.
Here's a link to the ActiveState Recipes site that says how you can read a single character in Windows, Linux and OS. JITch-like unbuffered character reading from STIN on both Windows and Unix.
Will basically read 1 byte from STIN. If you must use the method which does not wait for the \n, you can use this code as suggested in previous answer. Taken from this URL.
The ActiveState recipe quoted verbatim in 2 answers is over-engineered. It can be boiled down to this.
Worth trying is the Rika library, which is in part based on the ActiveState recipe mentioned in other answers, but has come a long way since. Installation. Usage. Tested on Windows and Linux with Python 3.9. Keycodes are not always the same between Windows and Linux, but the library provides platform-specific definitions like Rika, Learn to help with that. Since Linux reports most special keys as escape sequences, starting with \x1b, Rika gets confused if you hit the actual escape key, reported by the terminal as a solitary \x1b. This is unfortunately a common Unix problem, with no truly reliable solution. Note that while Rika raises keyboard interrupt on Ctrl+C, see rika.config, other Linux signal keys, for example Ctrl+D and Ctrl+Z, are caught and returned as \x04 and \x1 respectively, which may or may not be desirable.